how to add sound transitions in Clipchamp. So first, go to Clipchamp and then just open up your video. So for example, this is my sound here at the bottom. Now you can just make sure that they are together. As you can see, the line there, make sure that they are close to each other. And then you can just click on one of the sound, and then right click. And then, click on the audio and then click on fade here at the right side. And then you can just add a fade in or a fade out. So for example, I want the sound to fade out and then this sound to fade in. So I'll just select the how many seconds I want it to fade out. So let's say I want it to fade out in 1 second, and then I'll just select this sound and then I want it to fade in to 1 second as well. So let's try it out. Record of my voice. So you can see this is a sample record of my voice. You can see the fade out of this sound, and then it transitions to this new sound here into a fade in. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.